Ineffable means that it is not definable in ordinary terms. William James, in his book, Varieties of Religious Experience, made that very clear. Ineffable means it is not within the linear, it is not definable, it is not describable. You cannot circumscribe it, you can't catch it. It's the way you are. So, by intention then, your life becomes that intention. You become it. You are the prayer. Instead of praying from a me to a that, you become that. You are it. Therefore, as you walk through the woods, do you know that the plants know that? The first time I went to that state, I walked through the woods. All of life was like worshipful of the presence of divinity, and was very conscious and aware of it. Very conscious of it. And it was also conscious and aware of the divinity of everything else that exists. Now, universe is conscious. It is conscious and aware. The tree does actually know what you are. Let's see if that's so. Oh, that's a fact, O Lord. Resist. It's a fact. When I first saw it shimmering forth, I thought, this is like a psychedelic cartoon or something. I expect to hear the old submarine in the background. The tree is vibrantly aware that it is in the presence of divinity. It has no problem with it. Because of its nature, because of the source of its creation, which is the same source as your creation, it knows its own. Life reverences life above 200. Below 200 is a different story. All right.